In the fast-paced world of social media, making money online has become a reality for many. In this guide, I'll take you through a unique method that allowed me to earn $800 by simply watching TikTok videos. 2 videos will make you $12, and 4 TikTok videos will earn you a great $24. This step-by-step approach involves leveraging the popularity of viral content on TikTok, creating eye-catching promotional material, and using platforms like Pinterest to generate income. So, if you're ready to turn your TikTok scrolling habit into a profitable venture, let's dive in. But first, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Be one of the first in the know and stack that cash. Imagine making easy money online, not through complex schemes or tedious work, but by doing something you probably already enjoy, watching TikTok videos. In the next few minutes, I'll share the secrets that turn my casual TikTok scrolling into an $800 per day. Stick around, and you might discover a side hustle that's both entertaining and lucrative. First things first, you get $4 for each TikTok video you check out. Let's do the math. Watch 2, and that's $8. Catch 4, and you're looking at a sweet 16. Keep going, and you could rack up a cool $800 or even more just by binging on TikTok videos. To kickstart your money-making journey, head over to TikTok and explore the vast ocean of viral videos. Using the search bar, look for popular keywords like viral funny videos. These videos often have millions of views, indicating a high demand among viewers. The key here is to choose videos that genuinely captivate you, because if you enjoy them, chances are others will too. Now scroll through and pick one of these vids. Like, let's say I go for this one. Looks promising, right? Now, just hit play and watch the whole thing to make sure it's solid. If it doesn't float your boat, no biggie. Just swipe to the next video and give that a shot. Just stick to the videos you vibe with, because if you like them, chances are others will too. Now, let's take this video as an example, because I think it's awesome. It's got a decent number of views and likes. After you've checked it out, grab a screenshot. I'm doing it on my computer, but you can totally do it on your phone too. Here's the pic I snagged. Looks pretty cool, right? And hey, it doesn't have to be just funny stuff like I did here. This is just to show you the drill, but you can do it with any type of video. Just make sure they're racking up the views, cause TikTok's got tons of content, so make the most out of it. Remember what I said about rolling with the popular stuff? Aim for videos that everyone's binging on, not the boring ones nobody cares about. And if you're drawing a blank on what's trending, hit up Google for the hottest TikTok niches. Just type in most viral niches on TikTok, and you'll get loads of dope ideas and keywords to search for. Check out one of those results, like this one, for instance. Scroll a bit, and there you have it. Search for things like funny dances, maybe throw in some dark comedy. The options are endless. You get the drill now, right? So, once you've got that screenshot, jump on this free site called canva.com. And guess what? You can do this from anywhere on the globe. No location restrictions. Just need an internet connection and your computer or phone. First things first, if you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. Super easy. Just hit sign up and use your Google, Facebook, or email. After that, go to create a design. Click custom size, slap in 1080 by 1920, and hit create new design. Now, head to uploads to toss in that screenshot. Click here, grab it from your device, and watch it upload. Once you've got your screenshot on the page, you can drag it around and resize it however you like. Make it big or keep it chill, your call. Now, hit up elements over here. Grab this shape thingy, toss it onto your pic, and if you're feeling fancy, switch up the color. But no pressure, you can keep it as it is. I'm resizing it a bit because we're gonna slap some text on it. Hit the text icon, click add a heading, drag that text onto the shape. Type in something like, check this out, viral video. Fancy changing the font? Click here and pick a new one. I'm rolling with Horizon. Oh, and let's switch that text color from black to white because it looks slicker. Boom! Almost there, just one more step to go. Now head back to Elements and look for a play button sticker. Slap one of these onto your pic. Center it up. Ready for the finishing touch? Time to snag your image. Hit share, then click download here. One last click on download and bam! Your pic is on its way to your device. Next up, I'll spill the beans on how we're gonna turn this image and your TikTok video into some easy online cash. But hey, real quick before I reveal anything, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes. And if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. Check out these payment screenshots. Folks are raking in cash daily with this trick. This person scored $5 today. Someone else pulled 6. And this dude hit a cool 10. The money keeps rolling in. By the way, if you're still tuned in, drop your country in the comments. Now, on to the next move. We're hitting up Pinterest.com. This is where the magic happens, turning TikTok vids and our pic into cold hard cash. Pinterest is buzzing with millions of peeps, especially in the US. First up, make your account. Then hit create and pick create pin. Double click to upload that slick image you made. Alright, now throw in the title of your TikTok vid up here. Like for me, I used this funny cat compilation video, so that's what I'm typing. And don't forget to add watch now to your title. Skip the description part. It's not a big deal. Now comes the tricky bit, the link. Pinterest peeps will peep your pic, click the link, and watch your video. But here's the catch. If you toss your TikTok link here straight up, you won't make a dime. I'll show you the slick move instead. Plug in your own special link, and every click turns into cash. So make sure to like this video. Now, for the money-making link, hit up shrinkme.io. First, click register to set up your account. Fill in the details, hit I'm not a robot, tick the box, and click register. Just confirm your email and log in. Check out your slick dashboard. By the way, you only need a minimum of $5 to cash out, and they've got different ways to pay you, like Bitcoin or PayPal. Hit up new shortened link on the homepage. Then paste in your TikTok video link. For me, it's the one I'm copying here. Once you've pasted it there, hit that shorten button. Now, just grab this link and toss it onto Pinterest. Quick tip, before you can drop the image, create a board first. Hit here, click create a board, name it whatever floats your boat, and hit create. Last step, hit publish, and boom, it's on Pinterest. But heads up, sometimes shrink me links don't play nice with Pinterest. If that's the case, bring in Linktree. It acts as a middleman, changing your shrink me link to a Pinterest-friendly one that still leads to shrink me. There you go. Everyone hitting up your shrink me link means more money in the bank. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on turning your TikTok pastime into a cash-generating machine. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to identify viral content, craft attention-grabbing promotional material, and strategically using platforms like Pinterest and shrinkme.io to maximize your earnings. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow TikTok enthusiasts. Have questions or success stories to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey to online success. Thank you for joining me on this adventure into the world of TikTok monetization. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you're always updated on new fortune tips. Until next time, happy scrolling and happy earning!